We all want to find someone to love and be happy with, but not all of us are aware of the right ways to go about that. We are only humans, and we all make mistakes, but some of these could easily be avoided. In this video, we are going to explore the common mistakes that we, for a lot of different reasons, end up making in our relationships. Some of these mistakes are small, and others are monumental. They can change everything, and some of them are not as fixable as we would want them to be. If you are making these mistakes in your relationships, then some changes need to be made. If you continue on as if nothing is wrong and all of these things are fine, the end will find you before you are ready for it. Good things don't just smack us in the face. We have to put in a lot of work for them. Here are 9 common mistakes we make in relationships. 1. Falling too fast. You are 1 week in and tell yourself he or she is the one. These days, many people aren't in any hurry to commit seriously. There may be chemistry and a connection, but your new partner may just see you as a short-term fling. Avoid falling too fast until you are sure your partner views the relationship with the same level of seriousness as you do. 2. Faking interest in their hobbies. You may be able to tolerate one concert, fishing trip or bowler's episode, but if you pretend it's fantastic, you are going to be stuck with it for a while. Be politely honest, and after all, being interested in different things keeps relationships interesting, says couple therapist Carol Ward. 3. Spilling your guts too soon. While you may want to be known by this person you are really excited about, it might not be a good idea to go into too many details about your past relationships, toxic family or seasonal depression, explains Anza Goodbar, an empowerment coach. Focus on the positives and save your deep dark secrets for a time when you have built a foundation. 4. Not being willing to respect your partner's boundaries. If you are not willing to respect your partner's boundaries, you do not deserve him or her. We all have our limits and should not be pushed past those. Period. No one should have the ability to force someone over the edge like this. 5. Constantly accusing your partner of things without any proof. While you may feel insecure and be a bit scared about the idea of your partner cheating or something else of the sort, if you have no proof and you are only making accusation after accusation, sooner or later it's going to become an issue. Don't allow your insecurities to ruin the positive connection you have before you. When you have proof of something, feel free to make demands and break out the serious side, but when you are just stressed and concerned over nothing, know when to step back. 6. Tolerating bad behavior. From showing up late to being constantly attached to a phone, if you don't speak up early, bad behaviors will continue. You don't have to be overly demanding. Just set out simple boundaries like being late doesn't work for me, or I prefer our dates to be just you and me. 7. Trying too hard to impress. Wearing clothes you feel uncomfortable in. Spending lavishly on accessories you can't afford. You are just going to make them fall for someone who isn't the real you. Don't try to be the person you think your date wants you to be. Be confident in what you bring to the relationship. Being authentic is the best bet for building a solid foundation, says Goodbar. 8. Refusing to take and give actual personal space. While it might seem like fun spending all of your time with your partner, at some point he or she is going to want some space or to do something by his or herself. This is not a slap in the face for you, just a sign that you should be doing your own thing from time to time as well. You can have fun with and without one another. Live your own lives. 9. Giving up on your partner far too quickly when things get hard. When times get hard, you are supposed to stand by one another and not jump ship. If you are quick to throw your lover under the bus or just don't believe in him or her as you should, don't be with him or her. The more of this person's time you waste, the harder things will be on them once all is said and done.
Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Join our spiritual community by clicking the subscribe button. If you found value on this video, please share it. Have a magnificent rest of the day.